Hello people, welcome once again. Happy Tuesday. So today another Diana Ankudinova.
Yeah.
So our big apology last time, it was our voices a lot of distortion. We can't figure it out actually what happened. This time the quality is better. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to act another Snowstorm.
Diana Ankudinova with Ilya Viktorov.
Yes.
It's recorded in the Cafe Pushkarev.
Okay.
Not sure where it is, but let us
Alright.
know if you do. Alright, here we go.
This 2021. Her voice, we always hear her performing or singing by herself. But when we saw or see a performance like this, doing a duet, we're quite amazed how Diana's voice merged to another singer. You know, it's like
Definitely.
what a match.
It is. I love the melody. I love the like you say, the match of the voices. It's a shame this is a live recording because it distorts a little bit of the voices, but I think it's beautiful. And this was, we just found out it's like over a year and a half ago in January last year, but it's
Video by Yulia Daisy. It's beautiful, the voice of Diana. We can see here how beautiful, and with Viktorov. Okay, the music is a bit louder than
then the singing.
it could happen, it happened to us, recording as well. But it's a matter of hearing the voice and give our honest opinion. The reason, guys, we did by the way, we didn't do it, react it again, because we already give. That's our first impression. That I think it's.
We only do a video once. Because we want to do it in one go without having seen it, and so you get our honest opinion. So
we don't say it over again. It's like if we redo it,
it's not genuine.
It's we feel like that. It's like, why we said different from the other one. It's like, you know what we mean. It's like has to be the first impression.
Definitely. All right, let's continue with this one. beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful? You see them performing together in live, and you are filming it in front of them singing it.
Yeah, and once they got really up to volume, then you hear their voices together. Really beautiful. It's and that's loved it. It's a cool recording. I love it. Somewhere in the middle of a cafe, like you just you sit there having a beer or vodka, whatever, and then all of a sudden this is gonna happen.
To artists, I think this is actually what is that? A Godric concert. It's not like
he performs at the concert of Ilya Viktorov, so she was a guest. But anyway, it's lovely to see. I love when artists are working together because you get a combined talent, and you never know what's going to happen, but usually something beautiful happens. So I love this one.
So everywhere Diana performs, we're here to react. So if you have your own recording, drop it here in the comment section, guys.
Yeah.
We're a big fan of her. It's like watching all her performance from she was a little till now. It feels like we've been through all her journey in her career.
Anything you have, let us know, because we can't find everything ourselves. So just share it, and we will be happy to react it. So.
All right.
Thank you very much,
and we hope to see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.